So now this tense is used in the following ways: to express an action that has recently been completed. For example, she has just taken tea. I have purchased a book. Then second, it is used to describe an action whose time is not given. Have you done MSc in maths? Have you read Shakespeare? Now, third, it is also used to describe past events whose effect still exists. Example, I have finished my work and now I am free. It is also used to show a past situation which relates to the present. Example, I have done my homework so I can help you with yours. Now we'll see to that various kinds of sentences. How do we use this tense in the various kinds of sentences? First one, I have played. For negative, I have not played. Interrogative, have I played? And for negative interrogative, have I not played? So we can say that the rule for affirmative sentence is subject plus second form of verb plus the object. And rule for negative, subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. And for interrogative, did plus subject plus first form of verb plus the object. For plural noun, for plural subject, we have played, we have not played, have we played, have we not played. And for third person, he, she, it has played, he, she, it has not played, he, she, it has, he, she, it played. And for negative interrogative, has she, it not played. So these are the three kinds of sentences and the use of perfect tense in these kinds of sentences. Now let's move on to the present perfect continuous tense. Now what is present perfect continuous tense? So in this tense, the action, it represents the action which was in progress and then finished, but it continues to move on further. That means this tense is also called as present progressive tense, or this tense is used in the following ways. First, it is used to describe an action that began in the past and is still continuing. For example, they have been staying in the village for a long time, or it has been raining since last night. Then this tense is also used to express an action already completed but whose effect is still continuing. I have been running around for a job all day and I am tired now. Now we'll see the use of this tense in all the three kinds of sentences, that is affirmative, negative and interrogative. For affirmative, the rule is singular subject plus has plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus for or since plus the object. So the first example you can see, I, or in place of I it can be we, you, they. All we say I have been playing. The negative, I have not been playing. Interrogative, have I been playing? Then for the third person, he, she, it also can be used. In place of he we can use she also, it also. So he has been playing, he has not been playing, has he been playing, or she has been playing, she has not been playing, she has been or has she been playing. Then third, for the third person, when we use the name, Mohan has been playing, Mohan has not been playing, has Mohan been playing? Put question mark.